Hi guys, welcome to Sam Pierce, and today I'm going to do an MA750 wireless unboxing. This is what I've been using, iPhone earphones. I found them extremely annoying. It tangles, and it gets caught on things, particularly when I'm listening to music or watching movies while lying down. When I get up or move suddenly, my phone often ends up on the floor, which is not good for my phone or for the earphones, or I end up strangling myself with the cables when I fall asleep. How many of you have this same problem? After a few years of putting up with these earphones, I finally lashed out and bought myself a decent pair of wireless earphones. And here it is. Guys, with this, you won't have any of those problems anymore. They're not cheap though, but I've heard they are extremely good. Let's find out together. We'll have a quick look at the packaging before we open the box. The packaging looks very nice. It's well designed. At a glance, we can see the features and benefits. Full device and call control via remote. It has a universal 3-button remote control that could control audio and calls. It's simple and convenient. And it has a molded over ear hooks. Unlike my iPhone AirPods, which are difficult to put in your ear and sometimes fall out. Usually it takes me 5 minutes to untangle it, so it's a real pain. Contoured secure flex cable. Also, it has a silicone wrap contoured cable, which is flexible and easy to adjust. Noise isolation design with magnetic housing. The stainless steel earphone housings are magnetic, so when you are not using your earphones, they stay connected instead of flopping around in the breeze. Splash and sweat proof. It comes with an IPX4 rating, making them both sweat and splash proof, so you guys don't have to worry when you go to the gym that they will be damaged by sweat. But just be careful, they are not waterproof, so don't go swimming with them or use them in sauna. If you're looking for fully wireless waterproof earphones, the Sony MP3 players WS series supports that feature. Finally, RHA also gives you a 3-year warranty, which shows that they must be very confident about their product quality. Inside the earphone housings are handmade dynamic drivers with a stated frequency range of 16 to 22,000 Hz, which makes it ideal for all styles of music, songs, and even movies. It has a good battery life. It is 12 hours. You can listen to music all day. I personally like that a lot. My phone would probably die on me first. There's an LED battery level indicator showing remaining battery life whenever the earphones are powered on. After 20 minutes of inactivity, the earphones automatically enter into sleep mode, which saves battery life. But the charging time from 0 to fully charged is about 2.5 hours long, which is okay. How do you connect to this thing? You can connect your earphones by NFC, Bluetooth technology. It also supports SBC, ACC, and aptX codecs. It can be connected to two devices simultaneously. You can listen to music from a laptop or digital audio player and still receive a telephone call from a connected smartphone. And if your smartphone is set to silent mode, the MA750 headband will vibrate to alert you to an incoming call. That's quite handy. It is also very light. It weighs less than 1.5 ounces, which is just over 40 grams. It has been said that it feels very light on the ears, given that most of the weight rests around your neck. What accessories do we get with this? We get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a shirt clip, many sizes silicone ear and foam tips to meet your needs, and a mesh carry bag to put everything in it. Everything comes in a minimalist, yet high-end looking package. Now, let's see what's inside. Well, we are now at the point we've all been waiting for. Let's open it up and take a closer look at the earphones and accessories. What accessories do we get with this? Here are the instructions and guarantee. We'll read it later. How many of you guys actually read the instructions? Here are the silicone ear and foam tips. This is a USB charging cable. And a mesh carry bag. And here we are at last, the MA750 wireless earphones. Let's get it out of the box so we can test it.